Well, it's about time. I know the 360 booth magnet tops. Here they are. I'm gonna go over them right now in detail, but try to keep this video as short as possible. So let's get started right away. This is what a 360 magnet top looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. Your booth is 40 inches. These I got designed at 39 inches so that you guys can just grab it from where there's a small gap like this and just peel it off just like this, and then just let it go and it grabs. Now you want to see how strong and durable these are. If you zoom in and come in here real quick, you can see that this is vinyl. All right, this is very, very durable. In fact, I'm going to show you guys a video, and this video shows me doing an event at an actual rodeo where all of the attendees, or at least most of them, had cowboy boots on. So they were really stomping hard on this label, no exaggeration. So I'm gonna show you a video on how durable these things are. Also, if I try to remove it just from grabbing it from right here, from this little gap I set up, and I try to pull it, you guys can see by my forearms that I'm trying to pull it, but I'm actually pulling the whole entire booth. So that's how hard these things grab on as a magnet as a whole. Another thing that I want to point out is you see these creases right here. These creases are going to happen no matter what. However, these getting flattened out with time. Now the reason this happens is this: when these 360 magnet tops get shipped, they get shipped in this cylinder tube, and the cylinder tube holds them inside. But if it leans like this, the corners or the sides of the 360 magnet booth are going to get wrinkled because they'll sit like this for a long time. But because it's a magnet, just put these magnets out in the sun for no more than 2 minutes and then put it on your booth. And with time, like I said, these wrinkles will settle and it'll be flat. At first, when I first ordered my first batch, this is the one that I got. These weren't very durable and they ended up getting air pockets. So I definitely been experimenting with material and thickness. These worked really well. They looked really clean, but once I actually took them to an event, I noticed that it did not stand a chance. So that was that. Now I'm just gonna remove this off really quick here, like this. And then I'm gonna put this cool all-in-one one right here, just to show you guys how easily you put it on. So what you wanna do, you can do this all by yourself. Just kind of just eyeball it a little bit here. I'm gonna eyeball it, and then just set it down, just like this, and we're ready to go. Now, if you have people with some dirty ass shoes, let's go ahead and stomp on this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and just walk on it. Go ahead, don't be shy. I think your shoes are dirtier than mine. Your shoes aren't dirty enough. Darn. Well, maybe these rollerblades are. Let's see. They didn't really get dirty. Let's see. Oh, you can actually see it right there. You see the footprints? So if you guys do get shoe prints from dirty shoes after your event, just take a little bit of warm water, spray it on there, and just clean it right off. Yeah, it just came right off. And most of your events, like I said, people of course are going to be wearing shoes, so just clean it after, at the very end. You don't want to clean it after every single attendee, because then that's kind of weird. Oh, also I want to show you guys something really cool. Let me find a little, if I can find a particle here, just a lens, piece of lens or something. Now say for example, your sticker magnet looks something like this. Can you see it on camera if you back up a little bit? Can you see this? Like, oh yeah. Yeah? So that means if you guys get a little bump like this, just go ahead. I'm gonna clean this right now too, now that we can actually see it. Let's see this right here. Alright, so this little bump, that means there's something in here. So make sure you guys clean your booth really well and making sure there's no debris. And then go ahead and just slap your magnet on there. Grab this from this corner like this, like that. Cool. So that's the 360 magnet top. These are the 3 variations I have. Black is great for outdoors. White is good for indoors because people are going to be stepping on the floor, not on standing grass. So I highly recommend using the white one for like weddings, anniversaries, indoors. And it has that bright appeal as well. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up in the comment box below. I'm going to put the link to these 360 magnet tops so you guys can purchase yours right away if you need them. This is for your 100 centimeter booth. In other words, your 40-inch booth. And like I said, but the magnets themselves are 39 inches, so you guys have clearance to just grab them from the side just like this tiny little gap. If you pan out, your clients can't even tell. One of the things that I want to share with you guys is if you guys shop around, some people are selling these for about $300. That's a crazy price. here off of my store, hit me up. I'll give you a promo code. They're at $189, but if you're part of the 360 Booth Global family on Facebook, I'm gonna give you a discount code. And I appreciate you guys' support. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.